This conference will now be recorded.
Right, right. So yesterday we discussed about the workflow. Okay, so what was the immediate workflow, a time-based workflow, everything is right. And then, okay, are
Yeah.
you able to see my screen?
Yes, Shiva.
Right. So then today we are going to discuss about this reports and dashboards. Okay, the reports and dashboard. What's the meaning of report? Okay, what's the meaning of dashboard? Let's see. Right. Let's see. What's the meaning of report? What's the meaning of report? Report is nothing but what? For example, okay, so I have some database. I have some database. Okay, so I have to find out something. For example, how much, how many employees, okay, so joined yesterday. Okay, so what was the salary? Okay, how much salary I paid? Okay, so for example, how much course we completed? Okay, what was the pending? How many topics we completed? Right? So like that. Okay, so that is called the what? A report. A report. Okay, so I have some data. So based on their data, okay, I'm going to create something. Without data, I cannot create. Without data, I cannot create these reports. Right? Okay. So let's see what are the types of reports we are having. So in our Salesforce, we are having four types of the reports. In our Salesforce, we are having how many types? So four types of the reports. So one is tabular report. One is what? Tabular report. So tabular report is nothing but what? This is a simple report. Okay, so what, like it's like a, it look like say Excel. Okay, tabular report, it look like say what? Excel. Is the session recording or not? Yeah,
Session
I'm
recording.
recording it. Okay, so how many types? We're having four types. So one is what? A tabular report. Okay, and coming to the second one is what? A summary report. Right, and coming to the third one, matrix report. Okay, and coming to the fourth one, joint report. Okay, so these are the four types of the reports we are having. These are the four types of the reports we are having. Let's see one by one. Let's see one by one. So tabular report is nothing but what? It is just like a what a Excel. Okay, so in Excel, what was the data we are entering? It will show the same thing. It will show the same thing. Okay, the tabular report also same like a Excel, right? And then after we're having a summary reports. Summary report. What's the meaning of summary reports? Summary reports what are summarized by the single object. For example, okay, so for example, I want to know how many people came from the USA. Okay, how many students living in USA? How many students living in India? Okay, I want like a categorization. Okay, so based on the what? A single field. Right. So in matrix, we are using what? A single field. Coming to the matrix. So here we're having multiple fields. We're having what? A multiple fields. Okay, so like a matrix is nothing but what? So if you want output, obviously we need to consider what was the a row and what was the column. What was the row and what was the column. Okay, so that is called the matrix. Right. So matrix is nothing but what? We're having two things. Matrix is nothing but what? We're having two things. Right. Okay, next one is a joint. Joint is nothing but what? So we are working on so two records, sorry, two tables means or two objects. Okay, so at a time we can create a report for the two objects. For example, account object is there and account object is there and the contact object is there. Okay, I want to create a report for these two objects. Say tabular summary matrix for only individual objects, single objects. right? Then coming to the joint is nothing but what? Joint is nothing but what? So we are considering what? Two objects, means what? Two tables. We are getting report from the two tables. So that is called the joint report. That is called the what? Joint reports. Right. Okay, so let's see practically. So what is this? Okay, so just I'm going to log into Salesforce. Right. See. So here the reports and dashboards is a standard object. Okay. So we can add these reports and dashboards to the any custom application. Any custom application. For example, let's see here we're having a CMS. Okay. So for this CMS application, so we don't have this reports and dashboard. We don't have this reports and dashboard. Okay. So then we can add. So here we're having plus button is there now. So just click here plus button. Just click here plus button. Then you can add it. Right. So here right side we're having customize my tabs is there now. So just click here customize tab. So what was the standard objects you want to add? You can add it. For example, reports and dashboards. So here first we are getting obviously dashboards. You can add it, and then after what? Reports. See reports. Okay, I'm adding these reports and dashboards. Right, and then you can save it. So obviously here I'm getting that reports and dashboards. Here I'm getting that reports and dashboards. You got my point, right?
Yeah.
So means what, these are the standard objects. Okay, so you can add to the any application, any application. Okay, so just click here reports. Just click here reports. Right. So I'm going to create a new report. As of now, there is no reports, right? As of now, there is no reports. That's why this one is empty. So just click here, new report. I'm going to work on accounts object, right? Because see, we don't have that much of records in my custom objects like students departments, right? We don't have that much of records, even though we didn't have minimum 5 records also. Okay, so that's why I'm selecting here accounts object. Okay,
Okay.
so come here, expand this, and then after select your accounts. Okay, select you have to first select the object, right? So then only you are going to create this report. Select this account object, then after click here create, then after click here create. Right. See, whenever you are going to create a report, so first of all, you need to remove all the columns. You need to remove the columns. So just click here, remove all the column. Just click here, remove all the column. Why? Because this is becomes a fresh white paper. Right? This will become a fresh white paper. So let's see what are the things we are having in our reports. Means what are the things we are having in our report. See, left side we are able to see the all the fields. So these are the fields we are having in our Salesforce. Let's see. So here I selected all. All means what? All the fields. Okay, it's showing all the fields. Like here we're having A. A is nothing but what? It shows only text fields. It shows only text fields. It shows only text related field. Right. So when I'm clicking here ash, it will shows only, see here, number field, annual revenue, employees, number of location. These are the number fields. Okay, so
Okay.
when I'm here ash button, it will shows only a number field. Okay, so when I'm here When I'm clicking here calendar, so this is what it will shows only a date related field. It will shows
Okay.
only a date related field. Got it? Okay, so
Uh-huh.
these are the so these are the what are so fields. Okay, so just look here, all fields made what I'm able to see, all the fields, what are the fields we're having in my account object. Got it?
Mhm.
And then after, just see here. Save. Save means if you want to save this one, you can save. Save as.
Mhm.
Close. It's not closing. So this report properties and what was the add report type, this one is not enabling. Okay, so this one also will be enabled. So whenever we are selecting, so another type of the report. Okay, for this
Mhm.
tabular report, it's not available. What was the report properties and add report type? Okay, for other other format, it will be available. Let's see that time. Okay, and then
Mhm.
after a run report. Then after
Mhm.
run report. So what's the meaning of run report? What's the meaning of run report? For example, if we added everything, so when I'm
Mhm.
clicking here run report, so then only it will shows my exact data. Then only
Mhm.
it will shows my exact data. Got
Mhm.
it? That is called the what?
Yeah.
Run the report. That is called the what? Run the report. Right.
Mhm.
So and then after here we're having filter. What's the meaning of filter? What's the meaning of filter? So I have some data. I have huge amount of data. Okay, I want to
Mhm.
filterize. I want to filterize. Okay, for example, let's see here. So filter account name equals to something. Example. For example, rating equals to hot. I want only what are the records having rating equals to hot. Right. So next what a location means country equals to India. Okay, I want to see only what are the records we are having a country equals to India. Okay, so like that. Okay, that is a filter, sorry, field filter. Then after what filter logic. For example, if we're having two or more
Mhm.
filters, just we can one and two or one or two like that. Okay, so means
Mhm.
what logically? Logically we are filterizing. Then after what cross filter. Accounts with or without opportunity. See here, relate opportunities is a related list. Opportunity is a what? A related list. Okay, so
Mhm.
in related list type of fields also we can get it. For example, see, so you give me just 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. So here cross filter. For example, accounts having opportunities or without opportunities. Like a student having department, student having extracurricular activities, like that. So whatever
Mm-hmm.
the related list information we're having, so that is called the cross filter. That is called the what
Mm-hmm.
cross filter. And then after what row limit? Then after what row limit? See here. So top five accounts by the annual revenue means what? So for example, I want to limit what was the records. Okay. For example, I want to show only so first five records. I want to show only first 10 records like that. So just we are limiting the data. Just we are limiting the data,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then
Yeah.
after show my accounts. What's the meaning of show my accounts? Means what are the accounts you created? It will shows
Mm-hmm.
only that accounts. What are the accounts you created? Next one is the
Mm-hmm.
my team accounts. Means what a group of members become a team now. Okay, so that a
Mm-hmm.
group of records we are showing. That group of records we are showing.
Mm-hmm.
And then after what all accounts with all your organization accounts. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
whatever the user he created. For example, you created some records, Madhu created some records, and I created some record. Okay, what are the all the records that is comes under all account? That is comes
Mm-hmm.
under all account. So select here all account, select here all account, and then after let's see. See here we're having a date field. What is this? Means what? So what is from date and what is the to date? What is
Mm-hmm.
from date and what is the true date? See here. So from, okay, so 19th onwards, how many? Okay, so here you can select the date also by default date from this date to this date, from this date to this date. So this is the custom range. See, for example, current financial year. What was the current financial year? Means January 1st, 2020 to the December 31st, 2020. See here, this is current financial year. Okay, so when I'm selecting, so previous financial year, so that is last year, right? And then after, so two financial year ago, means what? 2018, 2018, right? So like that, this is the range. Okay, so next financial year, current and next current and previous two financial years. Okay, so like that we can so see so provide some ranges. Okay, so we have to select the ranges. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Yeah.
after, so here we have to select all time. All time means so what was the records we created from starting onwards. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Okay, so here show all accounts and range is all time means what? What was the records we are having? All the records we are getting. Right. Let's see. So
Mm-hmm.
tabular report. So first we are going to do the tabular report. See here, tabular reports, summary, matrix,
Mm-hmm.
and chart. We are having four types of the
Mm.
reports.
Two types. Mm-hmm.
We're having four types of the records. Then here I'm going to add. See, for example, what are the type and rating and industry, something, some fields, account name. See, got
Mm-hmm.
it. For the type, rating, industry, account. Right. So let's see. So here show means what? It will show these details. Show means what? It will show
Mm-hmm.
these details. For example, if I uncheck this one, sorry, yeah, uncheck this
Mm-hmm.
details means what? So it will shows only what was the records, what are the total records. So as of now, we are having only 13 records. Just you can come here,
Mm-hmm.
check this one, check this one.
Mm-hmm.
Means so we're having all the records. We're having all the records. And these details, we are getting the record details also. We are getting what? The record details. Right.
Mm-hmm.
And then after, just you can see here, add filter, add
Mm-hmm.
filter. See, I'm going to add one filter that is based on the rating. Okay, so based on the rating, how many fields? See here, a rating equals to water, something I want a hot. Okay, what are the records we are having? Rating equals to hot. Select here. Then click here OK. Then click here OK. See here. I have only two records. I have only two records. You can remove it.
Mm-hmm.
You can remove it anytime. You can add it anytime. You can remove it anytime. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then after like that, we can add it. See here. Next one is what? Row limit. Row limit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, I want to. So here, how many records we're having? 13 records. Okay. See here,
Mm-hmm.
I want only the first five records. First
Mm-hmm.
five records. So based on the type or whatever it may be. Okay, then click here. Okay, see it will shows only first five records. It will
Mm-hmm.
shows first five records.
Right.
Got it. Okay, so means like this we can use the filters. Okay, according
Yeah.
to our requirement. Okay, so we can use the filters. Right. So now I'm not using filter. Why? Because see we are having only less number of records. That is 13 records. Right. So
Yeah.
if I use some filters and if I did something, and obviously we are getting one or two records. right? In one or two records, I cannot show proper a report, right? So that's why I'm not using what about the filters. And then after, see, these are the 13 records we are having. And then after finally, just click here, run the report. See, so tabular report is nothing but what? So we are not doing anything. It's a simple Excel format. It's simple Excel format, right?
Right.
Then after click here, run the report. See, got it. So just a Excel format. Right? And then after just click, see what are the options, these options. So we'll list later. What are printable view, export details, we'll see later. So but first I'm saving this report. Just click here, save as. What was the name? That is tabular report. Save it. Okay, so what was the first type of the report I seen? First tabular report. And then after we're having summary report. Let's just summary report. Right. So just click here, new report. Just click here, new report. Select here what was the object, account object. Then after click here, create. Right, see what was the first step. First we need to click here, remove all. So whatever the report you have created, okay, first you have to click on remove all the columns, and the range is all time and show all the records. Show all the records. Then after, see, I'm going to add name, revenue, and type, and rating, something interesting. Right. Okay, so I'm removing this type. We can remove this. Right. And then after, see, I'm going to change tabular to the summary. I'm going to change tabular to the summary. See, so here grouping summarized by the one field. Right. So what was the type we are having? So just I'm going to summarize it by the type. See here. So drag and drop this type like this. Drag and drop type like this. See. See, there is no type for the 2 records. Okay, so there is a customer direct for the 7 records. There is a customer channel for the 4 records. There is a customer channel for the 4 records. There is a customer direct for the 7 records. Right? So means what? 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. See here, two records don't have any type now. See here.
Right.
7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3, obviously 13.
Yeah.
Got it. So and then after, see here, add chart will be enabled. Right, we can add the chart, means what? A graphical representation. A graphical representation. I'm going to add this one. See here. So blue color, there is no type. A green color, customer direct. Orange color, customer channel. Orange color, customer channel. Got it. And then after click here, okay. See here. This is the report. This is the report. And then after, just click here, run the report. See what was the values here we are getting. Sometimes it will show just only example. For example, see, we are having only a 13 records. For 13 records, it will showing exact information. For example, if you are having more than 100 records, right? So in the single place, in the small page, so we cannot show all the records information. So that's why, okay, so whenever having a huge amount of data, okay, it will shows only some information. It will shows only some information. Okay, in that situation, so we have to run the report. So every time whenever we are run the report, so then only we are getting exact information. See, so when I'm running this one, so this is my report. This is my summary report. See here, summarized by the one field. Summarized by the one field. So what's that field? That is type. What's that type? So based on the type, I have these 2 records. Based on the customer direct, we have 7 records. Customer channel, we are having 4 records. Got it? Right.
Yeah.
Then you can come here and click here, save as. So what is the format of this one? That is a summary report. Come here, summary report. Save it. Okay. So in summary report, we summarized by the only one field. In summary report, we summarized by the only one field. Right. Then you can come here. Just click here, new report. I'm going to create third one. Okay. So once again, select the accounts object. Then click here, create. Right. So first, what we have to do, we need to remove all. See here, all accounts, all time, all accounts, all time. Then after see account name, well revenue, type, something. Then after see, I'm going to change it to the matrix. Matrix is nothing but what? So here we are having row and column. Here we are having what? Row and column. Right? We are having what? Row and a column. See, we can add here row and we can add here column also. Right? We can add here row and we can add here column also. Right? For example, let's see. I'm going to add type is there now. Okay. So rating. So here rating. So based on the rating, so first you will provide. So hot, there is no rating for the 6 records. There is a hot for the 2 records, and there is warm for the 3, and there is cold for the 2. These are the what rating. Okay, so here we add a rating, and here I am going to add what was the industry. This you can add here industry. Right. So what we did, I added 2 fields. So here the rating, here the industry. See industry. So there is no rating and there is no industry. 2 fields. Right. There is no industry. There is no rating. 2 fields. There is no industry and there is no apparel. We are having 0. There is a rating. There is no rating and construction is 1. Okay, like that. So here we are considering 2 fields. We are considering 2 fields. Here a grand total. So obviously we are getting 13. Okay, so these are the individual count. Got it. So this is called the what? Matrix. This is called the what? Matrix. Okay, so just we summarized it. So just we added 2 fields. Just we added how many fields? 2 fields. Got it. Okay, and then after, let's see.
If we go to add to cart, what are those types of charts that they have? Does they
See,
do
so
the similar thing?
yes.
Because I also saw something like funnel, right?
Yes,
So
yes. See, different types of the charts is there. Just you can go here, charts, see here.
yeah,
So this is what bar charts. Right,
yeah,
this is what horizontal. This is what a line chart. This is what a pie chart. This is what a donut
donut.
chart. This is what a funnel chart. And this one is what a scatter chart. You
Yeah,
can
just the
use anything.
funnel chart. I don't know what is that. What does it do?
See, that is just like a representation. Yeah. Okay,
Uh,
diagram representation. Got it. So I can use this one. You can use anything. I can use this one. See here.
okay.
So blue color, there is no rating. So green color, hot, orange color, warm, and purple color, cold. Got it.
Hmm.
Representation,
Okay.
only the graphical representation. Then after
Okay.
run the report, then after run the report, see,
Where is the graph go? A
wait,
chart.
I got it, right?
Yeah.
And then after just click here, save as.
Save as.
What's the name? That is matrix. You can save it. You can save it. Right. And then after what? Fourth one, finally, that is joint.
Right.
Joint is nothing but what? We're having multiple objects, not only single object. Not only single object, you can go for the 2 or 3 objects. Just you can go here, a new report. Okay, so first I need to select only one. First I need to select the accounts object. Let's click here. So remove all columns. Right. So all time records. and range is all time. Range is all time. Right. So then I'm going to add what is the account name and revenue and what was the type. See, I added some records. How many records we're having? So total 13 records. Total 13 records. Okay, so then what I'm doing, I'm going to add another report. I'm going to add another report. How can I add? How can I add? How can I add? See here. So whenever I'm changing to the join reports, when I'm changing to the join report, let's see, obviously here we are getting add report type.
Add
I'm
report
getting
type.
what? Add report type. Okay, so just you can add report type. So here you can add another object. I'm going to add here contacts. See, I added here contact. Got it. So, but the contact, why I'm not getting records? Why? Because see here. Okay, so okay, so my contacts. So here, all time. See how many records we got finally. See here, 20 records. I have 20 records in my accounts, and I have 13 records in my accounts. Okay, contacts 20 records, accounts 13 records. Got my point? Contacts 20 records and accounts coming to the 13 records. Okay, these are the records, right? And then after, just you can. Okay, so here left side you can see common fields. Common fields by the this thing and account fields and common fields what? So both in accounts and contacts we are having common fields. Both accounts and contacts we are having common fields. Right? And then after this one is what? Account related fields, and this one is what? Contact related fields. This one is what? Contact related fields. Right? So by using common fields, I'm going to make it as a grouping. So that is a billing country. That is called billing country. Just you can go here. See here. So based on the billing country, I'm going to make it as a grouping. Based on the billing country, I'm going to make it as grouping. Right. Now you can see here. Now you can see here. Now you can see here. See, billing country as a France. Okay, billing country as a France. We're having account one and contact one. Billing country is US, accounts one and contact one. Next, billing country is US, accounts two and contacts two. And grand total is here 2020. So there is no billing country for the, see here, accounts 9 records and contact 16 records. Account 9 records and contact 16 records. You got it? And then after here, to add the chart, we need to add the chart and donut chart we are adding. See, a blue color. There is no billing country. And France is like this. So here this is billing country. You can change it to the here accounts. Okay. So in accounts billing country. This is what? Accounts billing country. This is what? Contacts and accounts. You can do it anything. You can add to anything. Right? Either accounts or either contacts. Then click here. Okay. Then click here. Okay. And then after you need to run the report. Then after we need to run the report. So finally we need to save this one. So what the fourth model, fourth type, that is joint. Save it. See. Okay, so these are the four types of the reports. We created four types of the reports. Okay, so how many types of the reports we are having? Summary reports, tabular reports, matrix reports, and joint report. Summary, tabular, matrix, joint. And then after we see the dashboard. Then after we'll see the dashboard. So what's the usage of dashboard? Dashboard is nothing but what? Car dashboard. What's the meaning of car dashboard? In my car dashboard, all the things will be placed together. Means what? In my car dashboard, I have speedometer and what was steering and some cupboards. and something brass, okay, something extra, okay, gearbox, all those comes under the dashboard, right? The same way, so here in this dashboard we can add three reports at a time, three reports at a time. Okay, what are the reports we are having? So here, if you want to see the tablet, you can open tablet. For example, this is something the XYZ. This is on based on the what location. This is based on the student. Something different names is there. So for example, if I want to see this one, yes, we are able to show only this one. If you are able to see this one, we can able to see this one. That means what individual reports only we can see. So by using this dashboard, okay, so we can add okay, so three reports together, two reports at one place, right? See here, so three reports you can add at three places, right? So first of all, see here in this dashboard we are having two things. One is component and second one is data source. One is component and second one is data source. What is the meaning of component? Component is nothing but what type of graphical representation, and data source is nothing but what are the data. So where we are having the data, so that is under reports, that is under the reports we are having this data. See here, join matrix summary tabular, right? Join matrix summary and tabular. Okay, see here, so just I'm going to add these three things now. See, I added three reports here. I added how many reports? Three reports here I added. Then after, just you can go here component, you can add the representation, you can add the graphical representation, you can add anything, you can add anything. So but coming to the, this is join now. For the join, okay, what was the report or what was the graphical representation we used chart? We have to use the same chart. Okay, we have to use the same chart. See, for example, see, so this one is what we are using same thing now, a donut. Okay, so then we can go for another one like this. See, so here I want to change this one. See, funnel, right? So whatever it may be, whatever the thing you want, you can do it. So here you can header, you can change, you can write something, and the footer you can write something like that. You can enter some description about this one also. According to your requirement, you can do it. According to your requirement, you can do it, right? And then after just click here, save. What's this one? This is first. This is we can do one thing. Dashboard one. Dashboard one. Then after save it. Then after save it. Dashboard one. Then after save it. See? Right. Then after finally click here, save. Once again, just click on save button. Right. So now see what was the dashboard here created. I want to show, I want to see this dashboard. So where we can see, where we can see. So whenever you click here, go here dashboard, obviously you can see the dashboard. See, right? So I am going to dashboard. Okay. So I'm going to add this dashboard to my homepage. Homepage. This is my homepage now. I'm going to add this dashboard to my homepage. How can I add this my dashboard to my homepage? How can I add this dashboard to my homepage? Let's see. So just click on setup. Just click on setup. Right. So then you can scroll down. Then you can scroll down. So left side we're having customize is there now. Expand this customize. Expand this customize. So expand here. Home is there now. Expand here. We are having home page layout. Home page layout. So just click on home page layout. Just click on home page layout. And then after see what was the default page layout. I'm going to edit that one. I'm going to edit that one. See here. So here we're having what? Dashboard snapshot is there now. So just you can check that dashboard snapshot. Just you can check that dashboard snapshot. And then after click here, next. Then after click here, next. Right. So where you want to display? I want to display the top of the home page. Then click here, save. Then click here, save. Means what? So whenever I'm clicking here home, and obviously I'm able to see here what was the dashboard. Just click here home. Just click here home. See, so now I'm able to see here what was the dashboard. See here, got it? Right.
Yeah.
So this dashboard is okay. So frequently checking. So what's my database? Okay. So this dashboard is what? It depends upon the database. Got my point? It's based on the database only, which will show the output. For example, let's see here hot. Here hot green color. I have two records. Orange color warm, three records. Purple color cold. We're having two records. What happened if I created one more record in my accounts update having hot? Let's see. Just you can go here. Just you can go here. Where is that accounts here? Sales. Then click here new. And what was the rating? That is hot. Save it. Save it. I created a one record having hot. Rating equals to what? Hot. Now you can come here. See. Just you can come here. What's that rating equals to hot? As of now, you're having 2. So we're having refresh button is there now. See, as of
Yeah.
now, 5:10 a.m. this report. As of now, 5:10 this report. Okay, so just click here, refresh. See here now, hot equals to 3. So previously I have 2, and now we have 3. Now I have 3. So means what? Means what? So this one is okay. So updated every time. This one is updated every time. Right. So means what? The dashboard is every time it's updated. The dashboard is what? Every time it's updated. Got it? Right.
Yeah.
Now you can come here. Just click on any report, then you will get a so in-depth means in-depth details of that particular report. See here. Got it. See here. So run the report. So let's see all the options here. Run the report. Run the report is nothing but what? See, we can schedule in future runs also. Means what? I want this information every day. I want this information every day. Okay, see here. So daily, so every day. Okay, so from today to the, for example, October 23. Right. So what were the timings? Available timings? 12 a.m., 3 a.m. See 3 a.m. Okay. So here to me or to others. To me or to others. To others is nothing but you have to select other users. How to select other users. To me only. To me only. Then after just you can come down. So just click here, save the reports. Means what? Every day, 3 a.m. you are getting the report to your email. Got it? So means how many records we created, everything means what? A day report. Day report. Like that, you can create day report, weekly report, monthly report. Means what? Automatically the report will be updated, and what was the latest record information you will get through the mail. Let's click here, save the report schedule. Means what? It's scheduled every day. It's scheduled every day. Right? Then after hide details is nothing but what? We are hiding the details. Customize is nothing but what? So we are customizing one thing. Customizing once again. Customize is nothing but editing. Save as delete. So printable view is nothing but what? Printable view is nothing but what? So when I'm clicking here printable view, it will shows, yes, it will download in Excel format. See here, we can print this. Export details is nothing but what? The same thing. We are exporting this information. We are saving, yes, we are saving this information in CSV format. Subscribe. Subscribe means what? like your YouTube subscribe, like our YouTube subscribe. For example, say we're having one YouTube channel. We're having a YouTube channel. Okay, for example, if you subscribe my YouTube channel, and obviously you are getting, and obviously you are getting, and what was the updates? What was the updates? Got it? What was the
Right.
updates? Right. So that is for the what? Subscribe. You can subscribe also. Right. So these are the options we have. These are the options we have. Okay, so this is about what? Reports and dashboard. Reports and dashboard. The reports is nothing but what? My individual object information. Okay, so whatever you want, whatever you want, you can create the report. Whatever you want, you can create the a report. Got it? So this is about report. This is about a reports and dashboard topic. Right? So
Okay.
just you can watch the video once again. If you're having any doubt, let me know. So we'll see. If you're having any doubt, we'll
So
see.
Shiva,
Okay.
yeah, I have a question.
Hmm.
So right now, because in our custom objects, we did not have any more data, right? Not enough.
Right.
So we were using the standard objects. So
Right.
the functionality for the custom and standards, everything is same,
Both
like
are
whatever.
saving. Both are same. Just you can go here reports. So whatever the
Uh-huh.
reports you are selecting. Okay. So here when you
Uh-huh.
click new report, I'm selecting accounts report.
Yeah.
See here, we're having other reports is there. In other reports, what was the objects you created? See here,
Mhm.
companies one object, departments, candidates, right?
Mhm.
Portals, consultancy. These are the objects you created, right?
Mhm.
Instructors, courses. These are the objects you
Yeah.
created, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm getting that information. Just I can go here, other reports. All the
Other.
custom object information having it as a report. See here, account and contact information available here, opportunities information available here, customer support reports will be available here. So these are the categories. Okay, for other reports, you are getting your custom object information.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? You can
Mhm.
practice. You can do one thing. You can do one thing. So through the data
Mhm.
loader, you can upload some records in this custom object. You can upload
Mhm.
some records.
Mhm.
Then after
Mhm.
what you can do this reports.
Okay.
Okay? Yes.
Okay.
Chalo. Yeah. Any doubts? Let me know. Okay. I will meet tomorrow. Chalo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.